Welcome back, everybody, and hello to the new people out there. I'm Brett from Summit Guitar School, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to play Heart of Gold by Neil Young. It's in standard tuning. It's got a pretty simple strumming pattern. It's just a great old song to add to the list of tunes that you can just bust out and play, all right? It's got a little lick in there a couple different times, a little walk down, but for the most part, it's pretty simple. It's a great song. I'm going to show you guys how to strum through it. Let's get started on this, but before we do, please check out the links below. There's a free strumming pattern course that you guys can take absolutely for free. Just give me your email and I'll send you the lessons for that. And also, if you're just getting into guitar and you're finding this too difficult, you really should check out our Beginner Guitar Essentials program. There's a link for that below as well. I've had hundreds of students go through it with absolute awesome success. You can click the link and see some previews of some of the lessons in there, but people are loving it, so check that out. Also, feel free to follow us on here, of course, but follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. If you like this video, give it a like, give it a subscribe. I'm just trying to share my love of guitar to the world online. So let's jump into this song. All right, let's first talk about all the chords we need for this song. So you've got an E minor, that's open, 2, 2, open, open, open. You've got an E minor 7th, which is the same as E minor, but you put your third finger or your pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. I'm gonna use my 3rd finger, it feels better for me. And because you're gonna go to a D, your 3rd finger can stay and you just shift around it and you play open, 2, 3, 2. So when you go E minor 7th, your 3rd finger's already in the right spot, you just pivot around it to the D. All right, and then you've got a C, that's 3, 2, open, 1, open, all right? Then you've got a G, more of a traditional G, 3, 2, open, 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 3, just like that. That's the way Neil Young probably would have played it and does play it. And then those are all of the chords that you have for this song, all right? So let's talk about the intro here, all right? You're gonna play a 6-string E open. Our song is in the key of E minor, by the way. All right, so you're gonna play a 6-string E open, and then you're gonna play an E minor 7th to a D to a regular E minor. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D, D, E. All right, we'll talk about that a little riff here in a second, but let's do the strumming first. So 6-string E and 2, all down strums, by the way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D, D, E. Do that again. 6-string E and 2 and 3 and 4 and D, D, E. All right, I'm gonna practice that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, and then you go just like that. So when you do there, you open A on the 5th string, you hammer onto the B 2nd fret, 5th string, and then you do open D on the 4th string to the 2nd fret, E on the 4th string. And you hammer on the first one, the 2nd D to the E, 2nd open to the 2nd fret. You have to pluck each one. And then you immediately hit the 6th string, and you're back into the E minor 7th. So that's that's how it goes, all right? So you got to practice that, keep it slow. Then you go into the harmonica part, but you're just going to do in regular E minor to a C to a D to a G, all right? It's also most of the verse, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, so it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That happens 3 times, all right? The intro happens twice before you go to this. So it's 1 and 2 right? So it's down, 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 down. That 3 times for the harmonica part of the intro, and then you're back to the main intro riff chord thing. So it's 6-string E and E minor 7th and 2 and 3 and 4 and D, D, E. And then you're right into a verse, which is the same strumming pattern as the harmonica part. So it's E, C, down, 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 D, G. Do it again, E minor, C, down, down, D, G. Third time, C, D, G. And then you do a whole measure of E. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, C. And that is kind of different because you go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Alright, that's how I'm going to show you guys anyways. You could just strum through it. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would keep it simple, but I love it. You want to do the little walk down because it's cool and it's not terribly hard. So you do the E minor, C, D, G 3 times, okay? And that's literally just down, 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 down. That pattern we already went over, all right? And then you go E minor, that keeps me searching for a heart of gold. E minor, 2, 3, 4, and then G, 1, 2, 3, 4, all right? And then you go, and that's 1 on a C. You go, this is that, and I'm getting old. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and that's 3 on the 5th string, 2 on the 5th string, open on the 5th string, and then a G. All right, so it's, and I'm getting old. Bam, bam, bam. And I add an extra down, down, down up there, or you could just strum just the G to keep it simple. All right, and then you go E minor again. Me searching for a heart of gold to the G, and then C, C again, and then you go 3, 2, open G. All right, so let me play through that whole verse. All right, so you've got, it's kind of verse and a chorus, I guess. It's kind of funky, but it's cool. Neil Young, you know. So verse. Time, sorry, D, G, then E minor, 3, 4, and I did that E minor twice, G, G twice, and then I go C, 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 getting old, 3, 2, open G, E, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, back into the harmonica solo. D, G. Just like that. So it does the harmonica solo part, E minor, C, D, G 3 times, and then you do that little cool little intro thing where it's like 6-string open, 2 and 3 and 4 and D, D. Alright, and then you're into another verse / chorus thing, another harmonica solo thing. At the very end, the outro is kind of the intro, but you don't have to do the riff every time. So you could just go 2, 3, and 4, and D, D, E. E minor 7, 3, and 4, and D, D, E. Or you could do the whole riff thing there. And that's what it does most of the time all the way to the outro, except for I've been a miner for a heart of gold, and then C, and I'm getting old. But he doesn't say it. He goes, and that's how the song ends. That's how it goes, guys. I hope you got something out of that. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. It's a great old song. You need to learn it. Add it to your list. Let me know what you think of the lesson in the comments below. Have a great day.